Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss the 31 ways to make money online using WordPress. Everyone wants it, never seems enough. What is it? Money in today's materialistic world, money has value like none other, and that is perhaps the reason you have chosen to make money online. There is no dearth of information on how to make money online, but most of it isn't legit. Here we review up to 31 legit ways to make money online using WordPress. These are not get-rich-quick scams. These methods require hard work, patience, and actual input. You can definitely earn legit money using these methods. All you need to have is a WordPress website or blog or store. Have a quick glance at what we cover in this article. Make money online using blog content. Number one, we have let me discuss all the upsides of these things like headings. Number one, we have the make money online using blog content, WordPress affiliate marketing. Number two, we have the Google AdSense. Number three, we have the WordPress advertising plugin. Number three, we have the paid reviews. Number five, we have flip websites, sell sponsored blog posts, sell members online content, private forum, job board, paid business directory, event calendar with paid submissions. And then B category, we have the sell digital products, sell ebooks, sell music, sell videos, sell stock photography, online courses, paid webinar. Number three, we have the sell physical products, online store using WooCommerce, at a t-shirt store, dropshipping store, Amazon affiliate shop. Number on D, we have the kind of category sell services online. Offer freelance services, consulting business, coaching business, subscription service, develop plugin for WordPress, sell WordPress themes, sell graphics, troubleshooting, digital marketing. And then number E, we have the ask for money, which is kind of donation, which is I hate. So is it? I love to donate, but I don't like to ask for. It's like understand it. And the number one, we have the make money using your blog content. Your blog can be the primary source of income. A well-written blog that caters to a particular group of people can drive traffic. The more people read your blog, the more will be traffic to your website. But for this to happen, for example, more people to read your blog, you should have knowledge in your subject area. A good writing style always helps, and there should be interaction, the community you develop through your blog. Thus, you can increase traffic to your blog. Once the traffic is sufficient enough, you can monetize your blog in the following ways. Number one, we have the WordPress affiliate marketing. This is the age of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means recommending products and services to your audience through affiliate links and earn a commission from it. Okay, so this is affiliate marketing. What can you use affiliate links for? You can review certain products on Amazon, Walmart, or any other online store. Every major store has an affiliate program nowadays. Sign up for it. You will receive affiliate links for that particular product. You can place these links on your blog where you review the product. Once a customer buys that product through your affiliate link, you get a commission. Most of the companies offer lucrative commissions. Okay, how can you manage affiliate links on your WordPress site? There are many free plugins available in the repository of WordPress.org. You can choose any of them according to your preference. You need some. These plugins offer extra features. Thirsty affiliates, add affinity, constant contact, and some of the examples of such plugins. Thank you so much for watching the video. Love you all, and tata bye bye. Subscribe to the channel.